Hello, I'm an astrophysicist, and many times when people ask me what I do for a living and I tell them I'm an astrophysicist, they say, "Oh, that's so cool! Can you tell me something about my horoscope?" And that really sucks. Today I'm going to explain the difference between three words: astrophysicist, astrologist, and astronomer. This is Monterey, and welcome to my cosmic kingdom. Today we are here in Aldershot Observatory just to talk about the meaning of these three different words. All of them begins with the word astro, that comes from the Latin aster, that comes from the Greek aster, that means star. It is actually coming from an Indo-European word that means basically that, just a bright point in the sky. The first one, the one that is not a science at all, which is astrology, has the logos behind it, which means treaty or book. Then what I do, which is astrophysicist, has the word physics on it, which means nature. And then there is another one, which is astronomy, which comes also from the Greek word nomos, which means knowledge. So an astrophysicist is someone that studies all the different physical processes in the universe, just from the beginning of the universe, the expansion of the universe, or the formation of the stars, or protoplanets, or just meteorites in the solar system. We care about the physics. An astronomer, on the other hand, is also science, but is more worried about the position of certain stars in the sky. You can also be like a recreational astronomer, that these people that are not like professors in academia, they just have a nice telescope and point it there to the sky, and they have fun taking beautiful pictures of the sky. And then there is this third part, which is just disgusting, which is astrology, which is basically a bunch of weirdos, crazy people, or just people trying to make money out of gullible persons, and they are just thinking that this position of the bodies only in the solar system, which is something that shocks me. It only matters the solar system, has some impact in our lives. I think the problem is that in the beginning there was not a clear, before the medieval times, there was not a clear distinction between these three fields, but they have evolved, and clearly now there is a distinction. So I'm gonna end up here. If you find an astronomer or an astrophysicist, please don't call him astrologist or ask him for the horoscope or anything about that, because he or she will probably be really angry at you, because it's just not right. I'm looking forward for your comments, and follow me on Twitter, on YouTube, on Facebook, and see you next week, guys. Bye bye.